Hello, my name is Christy and welcome to day 990 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I am so excited to be trying out the Dose of Colors Meet Your Hue Full Coverage Concealer. So this is a product that I got in my October 2020 Boxycharm box, and I am so excited to get a concealer. I feel like I'm always getting repeated types of products, like eyeliner especially, lots of mascara, things like that in my beauty subscription boxes, and I rarely get concealer, and concealer is one of my favorite makeup products. And I think this was a choice option for Boxycharm October, and I hope that we'll get more complexion type products like this. I got this in the shade 8 Light, and you were able to choose your shade. This comes in 30 different shades and it retails for $24. It's cruelty-free and vegan. It's also talc and paraben-free, and it contains really great beneficial ingredients as well. So it has sunflower seed oil, shea butter, and vitamin E. But I love a full coverage concealer because I really need to cover up my under eye circles. I just feel like I can't leave the house without wearing under eye concealer. I'm hoping that this will be a great one for me. So it kind of reminds me of the Tarte Shape Tape with the large doe foot applicator. So let's see what kind of difference it'll do for my under eyes. So I'm gonna go ahead and try not apply too much. Start out with a little bit and see how that is. Seems like a great color though. Like, I like my concealers to be a little bit lighter so that they can brighten and highlight my under eyes. And I just, personal preference, I like to blend out my concealer with a dampened beauty sponge. Yeah, super easy to blend. I feel like that was a perfect amount. That gave me good coverage. But maybe I could go in with a little bit more because I feel like I don't have completely full coverage. So let's see if a little bit more does it. And blend that. I do think that this is buildable. So now I do feel like I have achieved that full coverage. That's awesome. I'm also just kind of taking it on to the eyelid a little bit, cover up discoloration. And look at the difference it did for my under eyes with it versus without it. I feel like it completely covered up the dark circles. So it did what it claimed. I'm gonna go ahead and do a little bit of spot concealing, and then I'll cover up that other under eye circle. So cover up a little bit. And then also do a little bit down the center of my face. This reminds me in a lot of ways of the Tarte Shape Tape. I feel like that's a really good shade for spot concealing as well. But I use the Tarte Shape Tape very often, almost every day now. And this is very similar. You get that full coverage, similar application. And I love that it doesn't look heavy and cakey on the under eyes. If it makes my under eyes look dry and textured, I just can't have it. But this looks so smooth. It looks undetectable, so I'm very happy with it. So now that I've had it on this eye for a little while, let's see, it is creasing a little bit in my fine lines, and that happens just like with the Tarte Shape Tape. And so I'll just set this with a powder. I like to use a loose translucent powder on my under eyes in order to prevent that creasing. There's only been one concealer I have ever tried that doesn't crease, and that is the Yensa concealer. That's the most amazing concealer. I think that's better than the Tarte Shape Tape. I think that's better than this one, but still, this is a really nice concealer. It's just that creasing. That's the only downside to this, but the coverage is beautiful, the texture is beautiful. I'm really happy with the color. So in general, I am very happy with this concealer. It's just that I have that extremely high standard from the Yensa concealer, which I can have my review video of the concealer I'm talking about linked in the description down below if you want to try it. But this is definitely a concealer that I will continue using, I will reach for often, and it just makes me feel so much more confident and comfortable because I have my insecurities and imperfections covered up so well. Like my under eye circles are something that I'm definitely insecure about, I want them covered up, and then it did a great job of covering up blemishes. So that's why I really love concealers in general. They just makes such a big difference and make me feel so much better. But definitely let me know in the comments down below your thoughts on the Dose of Colors Meet Your Hue concealer. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.